in hydrogen atom, the electrons move in an orbit of radius 0.5 Armstrong. So radius is equal to 0.5 Armstrong, which is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And with a speed of, so velocity is equal to 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Find the equivalent current. Current, as it is, we know current is equal to charge divided by time. And what about the charge? Charge, we are not knowing what is charge. And so since what is T? T is equal to time period. Time period, because electron is moving in a circular orbit. Hydrogen atom, it has got only once for hydrogen. For hydrogen, there is only one atom for hydrogen. So therefore, charge is equal to, how much is the charge? Charge is equal to Q is equal to one atom, because one atom means one electron into 1.6 charge of one electron, 10 to the power minus 19. This is the charge. Because hydrogen will have one atom, one proton and one electron. So charge on electron, means electron is revolving, we will take the charge of an electron, one electron into charge of one electron. This is the charge of an electron. So Q, we have got Q. And T, what is T? Is equal to time period, because it is that electron is revolving in a circular orbit. So it means time period means time taken to reach one complete revolution. That's why T is equal to time period, which is equal to D. Or we can say Q is equal to Q divided by time period. Q divided by time period. As it is, we know angular velocity, because since it is moving about a fixed axis, it will have an angular velocity. Angular velocity is equal to angular displacement by time. So angular displacement for one revolution, angular displacement is equal to 2 pi and time period is equal to T. It means the time period is equal to 2 pi by omega. Time period is equal to 2 pi by omega. And velocity is also given. Velocity is equal to 2.2 into, and Q is equal to, so current is equal to charge divided by time period is equal to charge divided Q divided by T, and T is equal to 2 pi by omega, and charge is equal to 1. Charge as it is, we have calculated 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. So now omega, now what is omega? Omega is equal to the relation between angular velocity and linear velocity is equal to V is equal to linear velocity is equal to R into omega, or V is equal to R omega, or omega is equal to V by R, where R is also given, which is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So Q, we can write Q, the value of Q, this is equal to Q into omega by 2 pi is equal to Q divided by 2 pi into omega. Omega is equal to V by R. So therefore current is equal to Q. What is Q? Q is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into velocity. Velocity is given 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 divided by Q into divided by 2 pi. 2 into pi 22 by 7 into R. R is already given. R is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 10. This we can take it as 1.6 can be taken as 16 by 10 into 10 to the power minus 19 into 2.2. We can take 22 by 10 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 5 divided by 10 into 10 to the power minus 10. This is for easy calculation purpose. So this becomes 16 by 10. When the 16 divided by 2, we will write divided by 2 into 10. If the 10 it goes into 16 divided by 2 into 22 divided by 10 into 16 divided by 10, 1 by 10, 16 divided by 10, then 22 divided by 10 divided by 2 into 7 by 22, 22 by 7, 7 by 22 into 10 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 19 plus 6. When it goes top, it will be plus 10. So this will become, this 22 get cancels, and this 5 and 5 is equal to 2. This 10 and this 10 gets cancels. This has become, this is only simplification purpose. We need not to worry about it. This becomes 8 into 7 divided by 5 into 8 into 7 divided by into 10 to the power minus 2. Because on solving this, we get this value. Because if we remove this one, this is 8 and there is a 7, and this 10 also gets cancelled. 10 to the power 7 is equal to 8 into 7, 56 divided by 5. 56 divided by is equal to 56 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. 56 divided by, what is the value it comes out to be? 56 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 11.2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is a current. Since current will be in ampere, therefore I is equal to 11.2 into, if you move one more side, this becomes 1.12 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, or 1.12 milliampere, because this is milli.